Ça fait combien de temps que tu as commencé avec cette boutique?
Yeah, so we started in March.
March.
And yeah,
Okay.
in 4 months, the first 4 months, we did 1.5 million in sales. So can show you here. Yeah, and it's not a screenshot, right?
Es que vos utilizás, por ejemplo, Google Ads. Est-ce que tu utilises Google Ads?
Yeah, so we use Google Ads, not that much. We are most focused on I mean, first we are focused on the influencer, then Facebook, and then Google Ads. Yeah. Google Ads, we have like one store running. What is interesting about Google Ads is that it's really stable, and like this store, it's been making like between $1,500 and $2,000 a day since 3 months, like every single day, and we are not working on it. It's like we don't do anything. We don't do anything. Like it's automated. So that's interesting. But for us, at least, I know people that are doing like 10,000 a day with like Google Ads and stuff. But for us, we didn't manage to like make more than 3,000 a day. So it was hard for us to scale. But I know it's possible. We will look into it. Maybe we will scale more in the next months. Yeah. But yeah, definitely Google Ads is a huge opportunity because not a lot of people are using it. Yeah. Not a lot of competition right there. But there's not a lot of information online, right? It's really hard. You need to figure it out by yourself. So you need to be a little bit, how do you say, resourceful and find the solutions by yourself. Yeah.
Okay, perfect. ¿Monoproducto o boutique generalista?
Only monoproduct. Only single product store.
Generalist works like 2 years ago.
Yeah, it still works. Okay. It still works. I know a lot of people still using it, but we tested, right? We tested. We had one store with a lot of different products, one store with only one product, and the store with only one product, we make more money, right? So it's better. Like it's like there's no need to argue about it. We tested it multiple times, so you get more sales if you only have one product. I know this is weird for some people. It's weird, right? But the client, the customer, when he gets into the website, if there is a lot of different stuff, it's going to be like, yeah, what is this? It's going to be like, okay, maybe I take this, maybe I take that. If there is only one product, the only thing he can do is buy, right? And that's obviously what you want him to do. So you get more sales. And then what is really interesting is that since you only have one product, it's really easy to make it really, really good because you can find one good supplier with the orders. It's like easier to like handle, and you can make like one product really, really good. And like with the general store, you have like 10, 15, 20, 30 products. How do you manage to get the best product there to fulfill the orders? Like it's a pain. So yeah, I really recommend people to like only focus on one. Focus on 2019.
Find the product, a good winner product, and focus on it.
Yeah, because even people that have general store, they make like 90% of the profit and the sales only on 1, 2, 3 products maximum. So there is like 16, 17, 20 products that are useless on their website. So I don't think it's better. It's definitely better to have like a single product.
You definitely don't need a store with like 30 products.
Oh, no, definitely not.
Yeah. ¿Cuáles son, según vos, los errores que no tiene que cometer la gente?
Okay, so first is not try and do everything yourself and reinvent the wheel. Yeah. There's a lot of people that have success. The best way to have success fast is to do the same that they are doing. So yeah, you should really like get information and
find the good information.
Find the good information. Really listen to the good information, not just like watch a YouTube video and be like, oh, okay, yeah, maybe. Yeah. No, you see something, it's interesting, you do it, and you do exactly the same, right? So that's one thing. Then you should not be scared to invest in yourself. Yeah. Like if you look at what people are spending money on, it's like buying shoes, buying like an iPhone, buying this or that, taking vacation. Okay, great. Okay, you have pleasure like this. Yeah, okay, you feel good. You just bought yourself a new shoes. You feel happy, right? Yeah. But you feel happy for a week, right? Imagine what amount of happiness comes from the fact that you can be like self-employed and have like no problems with your money for like a longer period of time. And like if you invest in yourself, then it can help you build those businesses, get a better life, and it has like such an impact on the long term. I mean, like you spend 1,000 to, I don't know, buy a course or something, or buy books, or go to seminars, and this 1,000 in 1 year, it's gonna bring like 100,000 for you, and then you can buy all the shoes you want. So this is something that a lot of people, they are scared to spend money to get new information, to get better. This is a mistake a lot of people make. Then like the biggest mistake is that people are like procrastinating. They are not. They are like listening to stuff. They are like maybe sometimes as well investing in themselves, but they don't do it. They don't do it. They say, yeah, I'll do it later. Yeah, I have this. I will do it when I have a new computer. I'm scared. It's normal to be scared. It's something new. No one is born with this. Everyone. When I started my online business, I was doing like some stuff completely wrong. I was scared. I didn't know if it was gonna work or not. But I was like, yeah, other people have figured it out, so definitely it's working, right? And I see a lot of people think, yeah, but what if this happens? How do I solve this problem? Because of this, maybe it's not possible. Just look at the results. There is thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands of people that use exactly the same business. If they can do it, it works, right? If they can do it, it means there is a solution to every problem you're thinking in your head. So just go ahead and fucking do it, right?
Yeah. Perfect. ¿Qué dijo tu familia cuando vos empezaste? Tes proches t'ont dit quoi quand t'as commencé?
When I started, everyone was like, yeah, what are you doing? Like,
you're crazy.
You're crazy. It's not gonna work. You're wasting your time. You should focus on your study. Like my father was like, no, you can build your business later. Now you go to your study and stuff. And even when I started making money, I remember I was like doing like, I don't know, 300, 400, 500 a day in sales. So it was like 100, 200 in profit every day. And people were like, yeah, you're lucky, it's working now, in 1 month it's not gonna work.
Works only 2 months.
And I was like, no, are you dumb? Look at the curve. Like I'm making more money every day.
Every single day.
Yesterday I make 200, now I make 300. Tomorrow I'm gonna make 400. Like, just look at it, right? And I was like telling other people at my university, yeah, you should start this. This is a huge opportunity. And they were like, no. And so at first, when you have like a small amount of success or you have no success, everyone is gonna tell you, yeah, you should not do that and stuff, right? But then, when you reach a high amount of success, then it's the other way around. You have the same people that told you, yeah, it's not gonna work and stuff, that are like asking me now, like, can you help me? Can you teach me? I want to do it as well, right? and so it's just like people take time to realize, but when you know it's gonna work, then it will work. And you should like always try and find people that have the same mindset as you do. People that also want to build businesses, or just people that are really positive in their life and that believe in you, right? So you should try when you start to have like people that have the good mindset and speak with them, and don't speak with people that are gonna tell you you're gonna fail. Don't talk with them. Don't talk with them about your business. Don't talk about that. You just talk about your business to people that have the good mentality.
The same mindset as you. ¿Qué le diría el Yomi de hoy, el Yomi millonario que lo logró todo? ¿Qué le dirías si pudieras al Yomi de hace 2 años atrás?
I would tell him to like just fucking go faster and really believe that it's gonna work. Because at first I was like, oh yeah, actually like I could have started like 2 years prior to that. I could have started like 5 years ago, but I was like, no, I don't know, this is weird and stuff. And I need to focus on my study. And if I had started 2 years ago, like my business now would be like double the size. Like I could have done like so many things. So just go ahead and don't be scared. What can you lose? You can lose a little bit of money. Even if you lose like, I don't know, 1,000, 2,000. Okay, that's a lot of money. in 1 year, do you really care that you lost 2,000? Not really. What is 1,000, 2,000 in a life?
Yeah.
That's nothing. In a life, it's nothing. Yeah, on the short term, you're gonna be like, oh, okay.
Yeah.
The goal is not to lose that. But even if I lost my money, I would have learned like a lot of stuff. So like, don't be scared to lose money. Don't be scared to lose time. Even if you wasted like, what is like 3 months in one's
your life?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What is it? It's nothing. So just look at it from a broader perspective and look at it as an experience, and just go ahead and do it. And what else would I say? Yeah, I think that's it. Just believe in yourself. Just go ahead, do it. Think big. Think big. Everyone, yeah. If another human being did something, you can do it as well.
Yeah.
Just do it. And yeah, that's it.
Perfect. Acá terminamos el video con Yomi. Espero que les haya gustado, gente. No se olviden que abajo de este video, si les interesa el dropshipping, tengo un video donde les muestro exactamente todos los métodos que aplicamos con Yomi para tener boutiques con mucho éxito. También les dejo los enlaces al canal de Yomi si quieren ver. Y nosotros nos vemos en un próximo video, gente. Chao.